Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language for the Siri voice assistant. Okay, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button or by tapping on it. Then we need to open the settings, but let me quickly do something before we do that. Like this. Okay, so now once you're on the home screen, press the crown button to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon. And once the settings page opens, scroll down and look for the Siri option. And then tap on it. And here, scroll down and look for the language option. Tap on it. Now scroll through the list of languages you want to use. And once you find the language you want, for example, let's find maybe Spanish. Okay, tap on it. And then you can go back. The language will start downloading, as you can see. It might take a while. And we have then option to select the variations, like Mexican and Spanish, or solely voice. So it might not work until it's done downloading, so you might wait until it's done, but let's try it. Let's wake up the Siri. What's the weather like? So it gives me the prompts in Spanish, but it won't give me like a voice. So I guess it needs to download until, or rather it needs to be finished downloading for it to work. What's the weather like? Yeah, so the answer is in Spanish, but the voice is not there. So I guess it needs to download before it will be available for use. But basically, after it's done downloading, it should be working. And that's how you change the language on this, or Siri language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.